Good morning, YouTubers. It's the Man Mechanic here. A little bit different. We're going to repair my old mirror dinghy. It's getting a bit sad. So what we're going to do, because I love going out on the river on this. I mean, Hazel, where's the dog gone? Here she is. She will love it. She's never been on this before, but my old dog Pearl used to absolutely love it. Anyway, so it's looking a bit sorry for itself. It's not too bad. There's no holes or gaps or bits falling off. It's just all the paintwork. I don't know why I painted it actually, but I'm gonna take it back down to the wood and then revarnish it again to make it look pretty. Because it's such a lovely boat. It just little tiny engine in the back. Got reinforced there'd be a bulkhead at the back there just to reinforce it a little bit. Decided it want to break off, so we'll reinforce that. But yeah, it's just a lovely little boat, a rock drop to steer. Just poodles along, 5 miles an hour on the River Medway. A few little locks, gets a few glances because it's not really what it's meant to be. But that's it, a little mirror dinghy. So we're going to start repairing this over the next couple of weeks. See you later on. Don't forget, subscribe and like.